Hey everyone, in this video we will look at how to create a cross tab on a data frame or on a couple of data columns. So let's start. So I've got this Jupyter notebook here with me and I've uploaded this to GitHub. I'll leave a link to the video notes and the dataset I'm using in the show notes so you can download the file as well as the dataset and do the tutorial along with me. So in the first tab, all I'm doing is I'm importing pandas, I'm importing matplotlib, and I'm ingesting the dataset. So I hit Shift Enter and the data frame df actually contains the values in train.csv. So you need to point this location to wherever you've stored the dataset. And now I'll just view the dataset. So I'll just click df.head. It will show me the top 5 rows. And it's showing me the column names and the values in those columns. So let's say I want to see the count of, so this survived column shows 1 when the person survived and 0 when the person did not survive. So let's see, I want to see the survival by gender. So how do I do that? It's pretty hard to sum it up but just by looking at it. But what you can do is you can say PD. PD is pandas library, and then I'm saying pd.crosstab and I'm passing the data frame dot gender column name and df.survived. So if I hit Shift Enter, it tells me that female 81, female died, and 233 women survived, and 468 males died, and 9 males survived. So it's a fairly good way to just look at our data, and it's just easy to grasp, and it's a fairly handy tool just to be able to cross tab on certain specific columns. Similarly, just the next one is just a different view. So when I hit Shift Enter, you can see that survived 81 women. So 81 women died and 468 male died, and 233 women survived and 109 men survived. So in this video, just to recap, we've learned how to create the cross tab, and it's a fairly handy data analysis tool. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Please don't let me know if you'd like me to take up any specific topic. Cheers, bye.